Welcome to Organize with Anne. I am going to teach you how to organize and declutter your home using the acronym S.P.A.C.E. Stick around and I'll let you know what that is. The acronym S.P.A.C.E. comes from Julie Morganstern's book, Organizing from the Inside Out. It is an acronym that she created to help you keep your home organized and decluttered. The 5 concepts are sort, purge, assign a home, contain, and equalize. This concept right now may seem a little bit overwhelming to you, but it's actually not. If you do these steps in order, I am sure you're going to be extra successful. Concept number 1, sort. If your space is disorganized, what this probably means is that you have a lot of related items scattered in multiple places. So here is what you need to do. Go through each possession and create a sense of order. Ask yourself these questions. Do I use these things? Do I love these things? And what categories do they belong in? As you sort, focus on the following. Identify what is important to you. Focus out on those items that you currently love, use, and want to keep around. Group similar items together, and these groupings only have to make sense to you. Design a system when you are sorting that is intuitive and natural so that you can find items easily in your own home. Concept number 2, purge. Here is where you decide what stuff to get rid of and how. Here are some ways to do it. You can toss items, give them away, sell them, put them elsewhere, or store them. Here are some tips to make it easier. Look at the items that are no-brainers, things that are in bad shape or are now completely irrelevant to your life. Also, items that have not been used for 6 months or a year can absolutely go. During this process, think about all the things that you can gain. You're going to gain space, you're going to gain time because you're not holding on to items anymore, and you are going to gain satisfaction from all the hard work you have done. These are not impossible tasks, they are very possible, so stick with it. Concept number 3, assign a home. Now it is time to take all the items that you are keeping and assign them a home. Make sure you know exactly where you're going to store them. Try not to be vague or indecisive about these items, but give everything a home. Here are some things to think about. Match the size and the number of the items to the size of the unit you're going to be storing them in. Also, don't mix different things. It is too complicated. Logical sequencing. Position similar groups of items near each other. Also, make it easy to retrieve things by putting them in frequently used areas. Furthermore, don't store heavy items high up on a shelf. And if you have kids, make sure that harmful things are put away. Concept number 4, containerize. Containers make it easy to keep your categories of items grouped and separated within their assigned homes so that retrieval, cleanup, and maintenance are a breeze. Another big benefit of containers is that it helps limit how much you accumulate in any given category. You can only save as much as the container will hold. Some of the things to look for when you are using containers. The aesthetics. Choose containers that you really love. Sturdiness. Your containers must be tough enough to withstand repeated use. If they fall apart or break, then you'll stop using them. Manageability. Containers should be easy to handle. And size. Make sure your containers are the proper fit for the number of items you are wanting to store. Concept number 5, equalize or maintain. Make an appointment with yourself to evaluate how well your system has been working. Is everything as easy as you'd like it to be? Are you following your system? Do the zones and categories you set up work well for you? Are there any rough spots that a quick renew of your space needs? Reevaluate everything again every couple of weeks to make sure that you are completely happy with your system. Once you've got your system that works totally, you need to integrate a daily and periodic maintenance program. This will help you keep things in a routine and also to make it simple. Clean up and put things away at the end of the day. If you do this, Your home will stay organized and decluttered, and you will be able to enjoy the time and all the effort that you've put in. Thank you for watching Organize with Anne. I really hope the acronym S.P.A.C.E helps you declutter and organize your home in a manner that works for you. Please let me know in the comments and like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.